Let's open up Preferences and look at some of the drawing settings. Note that you can set default settings, which your workspace will return to every time you open a new file, or adjust active settings, which will only apply to the drawing you're currently working on. When adjusting settings, your screen may look a little different. NetSkeme Plus offers more customization options than NetSkeme, so here you can see that I can customize not only units, but component numbering schemes, balloon types, external port symbols. Note that I can select multiple port symbols at once, jumper presence and size, connection dot size, item ID, display format size, and my pick box size. Make sure you select Save before leaving this page.